This is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp data messages to iPhone 16, 16 Pro or Pro Max. Let's go unlock your phone in this case. After that, you have to search where you have your WhatsApp. Go inside to WhatsApp. You would see some screen as this. So here at the corner, you can see one option called setting. Go inside setting. So you are here in this screen of your WhatsApp in setting. At the middle, you will see this option called chat. So go to option chat, go inside. In chat, you will see many options. So here you have chat backup and you have export chat here as well. So hit chat backup, guys. Backup now. So this will back up all your chat to your iCloud. You are in iPhone. So I have 8.4 megabyte of data I need to back up. Here we go. I hit backup now. It's backing up all my data. Let's see. Now, different type of backup you have. Add backup daily. So every day automatic it will do backup. You can see daily, weekly, monthly or off. So I leave as daily every day one time it will do backup. And if you want to include video, so it will do backup on the video. To hit active backup of video and end-to-end encrypted backup is off. So you can do also encrypted backup. So I leave as it is. So this is the way you can do backup of your WhatsApp in your iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.